A very good morning to my 9th class students. I'm back after a long time, after a gap of 1 week, and I am back with a good news to everybody that from 17th of August, your August test is starting. I hope most of you will think what a good news sir is giving. This is not a good news, but it is good news for all the students. And the chapter which I am giving in the test is designing constitution or the constitution design. So that is why I am today sharing a revision video. Today and tomorrow I'll be sharing a revision video with you all. A quick recap of the chapter will be done. In detailed analysis of the chapter will be done so that you get good marks. I have set a good paper, and if you will read it, read what I have taught, you will be easily getting 100% marks. But if you will not read it, you will not get it. So hope you will read it. So let's begin the chapter. I began the chapter again that in the best part of the chapter was the Constituent Assembly. Constituent Assembly was made after Cabinet Mission Plan. Under the provisions of the Cabinet Mission Plan, a Constituent Assembly was framed. So Constituent Assembly, when it was framed, India was not divided, means Pakistan was not made. So in the starting, there were 389 members in the Constituent Assembly, but later on, when India became divided, then the number reduced to 308 in the year 1947. I have given you all these things in the notes. So it became 308 in the year 1947. These 308 members were from all over India, from provincial assemblies and rulers of the native states. Means when the ruler, when India was under the British rule, some part of the India was known as princely states like Jammu and Kashmir and Hyderabad. They were ruled by the rulers. So इन्होंने भी अपने नाम भेजे थे कि कौन कौन इनके यहाँ से रहेगा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली में. And Constituent Assembly was basically a mirror of whole India. How it was a mirror of whole India? Because it had all the sections of the society, all the religions, people of all the religions, of the caste, all the creed were part of Constituent Assembly. तो ये ध्यान रखा गया था कि किसी भी कम्युनिटी की भावना छूट ना जाए, कोई ये ना कहे कि हमारे यहाँ का कोई भी आदमी आपने सेलेक्ट नहीं किया, हमारी वॉइस को दबाने की कोशिश की गई. Even the women members were there. Okay, the Christians were there, the Sikhs were there, the Anglo-Indians were there, the popular people like Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Azad, S.C. Mukherjee, Frank Anthony, H.P. Modi, Hukum Singh, Sardar Baldev Singh, all these people were there and there. In women, we had Sarojini Naidu, Durga Bai Deshmukh, Renuka Rai. These were there. Christians like S.C. Mukherjee, Anglo-Indians like Frank Anthony, or Parsis like H.P. Modi. All people were there. So in short, all the sections, all the religions of the country were taken into confidence. कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली बनाने के पहले ये बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा गया था कि किसी भी कम्युनिटी की बात रह जाए. अब राजेंद्र प्रसाद was the president of the Constituent Assembly. He was appointed to frame the constitution of free India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly. And who was the president of the drafting committee? The president of the drafting committee was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Students, questions will be asked differently about drafting committee and Constituent Assembly. So, a composition of Constituent Assembly, you will write that all the women members, all the sections of the society were there. 308 were there, 389 were there in the start. It was later reduced to 308 in the 1947. When I will be asking you the questions, I want each and every point to be marked. Okay, then only I'll be giving you. So December 4 was the date in the year 1946 when Constituent Assembly started its work. It was in the presidency of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And in the year 1947, on 29th August, the Constituent Assembly appointed a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Ambedkar. 6 months, after a period of 6 months, the committee prepared a draft constitution. So, in the year February 1908, the people were now moving to next, draft constitution. Draft, what is a draft? Draft is a small sample of the constitution. We can say, what is a draft? Draft is a small sample of constitution. A preliminary version of document of a document is draft. A preliminary version of document means, a draft means जैसे हम रफ किसी चीज का बना देते हैं और उसको बाद में फेयर करते हैं. So the drafting committee, a preliminary introductory version was prepared by the drafting committee. How many years were taken? 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to prepare the Constitution of Free India. To prepare the Constitution of Free India, 2 years, 11 months and 18 days were taken. And in this period, the Constituent Assembly met for 166 days. All these facts are very important for you because there will be short answer multiple choice questions that I have given, and this multiple choice question cannot be solved unless and until detailed analysis is done. So you have to be very precise with this. Okay, now moving on, I am again repeating, there were 2 parts of the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly was headed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, yes, and the drafting committee was headed by B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, clear?